Welcome to Oz Nomad Destinations. Follow us as we caravan our way around Australia. This is Ed and I'm Bec, and we're finding you the best free and budget camp spots Oz has to offer. Fishing, crabbing and hiking our way through this awesome country. For notifications, click subscribe and hit the bell, and that will keep you up to date. So yesterday we got turfed out of Babinda Boulders because the council were going to do some work on the campsite, and we decided we'd come down to Bramston Beach, which we thought was a $15 unpowered site per night on Wiki's Camps, but when we got here it was $24. So we decided to give ourselves a little treat and do it anyhow. Oh my goodness, look at the morning we got. It's been windy and blowy, and this would be the first blue morning, glassed out day we have had. It is so good. So that's Bramston's Beach. Down this end, there's a netted area for you to swim in. There's a bloke up there. There's too many crocs for you to swim. Have to stay in the netted area. And there's a guy out there trawling for prawns, catching a dinner. A couple of shipping containers, couple of container ships going past. But yeah, magic morning. The Caravan Park's right on the beachfront. There's not a ton of stuff down here to do. We're going to have a fish today. There's a little general store and takeaway. Other than that, it's just a bit of a relax and an unwind. Anyhow, oops, here comes old mate with his chair. I'll show you where we're camped. Got the best location. There's only like 3 caravans here. There's toilet block. You can get powered or unpowered, but there's toilet block, showers, washing machines, all your general caravan-y kind of things. It does say you can't park your caravan like that in the rules, but because there's nobody here, I think we kind of got away with it. We turned it around that way because now we've got the best view up the beach. A little bit cheeky, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. Hang on, I'll just show you the view. It's insane. That's the view from our caravan. Loving it. We tried a bit of fishing. Caught the world's smallest flathead and a couple of undersized brim, and then got onto a shovel-nosed shark that dragged me all the way from the rock wall, down the side, along the beach, and put up a good fight for about 25 minutes. I thought my arms were going to fall off. Finally he broke off, but it was a ton of fun. We went for a drive up to the campgrounds at Russell River National Park. It's about 6 kilometres north of Bramston's Beach, and you'll need to book online at national parks before you go. The road was pretty good, however, we'd never have got the van up there as there were some really tight sections through the trees. Would be great for rooftop tents, camper trailers, tents. There's about 5 spots up there. They're pretty tight to get into, sand-based, but they're all under the shade trees. It's a great location, no toilets or facilities, and I did forget to grab some footage of the campsites. Sorry. We then went for a fish in the creek at the south end of town. It's a tidal boat ramp, but we never got a bite. It looked like it might be okay for crabs, and it did look like there was a lot of fresh water in the creek at the time. The next day we went for a swim in the netted area. There were outdoor showers and toilets in the park. We were the only ones there. Yeah, it was great. So the Bramston Beach turn-off's about 22 kilometres north of Innisfail and then 18 kilometres in from Mirrawinny. So if you're looking for somewhere cool to stay, this would be it. And with that, keep in contact, stay happy, and we'll see you next week.